Good morning, everybody. This morning we're going to show you the updated construction of this 2-bedroom, 1-bath at lot M-11 in Carteret Mobile Park. So we're done with the new sidewalk and we've put up the steps and the gutters, and the shed still has to arrive, and there's this great little area for putting out your chairs and table for outside eating or enjoyment. We still have to put the storm doors, and take a look at this beautiful living room. Got a beautiful fan and linoleum throughout. It's a great allergy-free home, and these are the timber wolf gray cabinetry, and we did it all the way to the ceiling, and there's LED lights up there. And this is upgraded premium Formica countertop, and it matches really lovely with the floor. It's a great combination of grays and tans and creams. Really, really pretty. Take a look at that. So you've got your double bowl stainless steel sink and this beautiful Whirlpool Viking look-alike oven stovetop. Got your microwave. So those are European pulls or handles. It's the newest look in manufactured homes. And you've got your Whirlpool dishwasher and your Whirlpool refrigerator. So let's just take a look at the expansive living room. And on this side, you've got either a coat closet, if you care to have it that way, or an additional pantry. We left the center open, so you could have an island or a big cafe tabletop, or a round table, or whatever your interests are. And here you have the back door. It's a 9-light back door. You can get that frosted at your own convenience. And then here is hookup for your washer and dryer. Great area, and cabinetry there. It's all wood cabinetry, and there's a little bar up there so you could hang your items that you might want to drip dry. It's adjustable cabinetry. And the bathroom, not completely done yet. We did do the, look at that pretty counter. So again, it matches the kitchen. You've got a porcelain bowl and a porcelain commode. All the windows are thermopane. And this is a heavy-duty glass door for the shower. And this is a one-piece fiberglass shower stall. So you've got 2 little benches, one here and one here. Here's your shower head. These are really heavy doors. That's really lovely. So you can take a look on this side. And we've got the mirror framed out. So this would be your master bedroom. It's a 16-foot wide house, so it's a pretty large bedroom. This would fit a king-size bed easily. Usually I stage houses, but I suspect this house has been seen quite a bit of times this week, and it may be already sold as we speak. So there's your wire rack. Goes the whole length, both sides, and we do these side-by-side doors to give you room in your bedroom. And this back door is your hot water heater. It's pretty big, 40 gallons. So let's take a look at the bedroom from this angle. And then you've got a jack there for your television. There's a great view from this angle. And then the other bedroom is on the other side. There's a pretty front door with that little semicircle light and 4 panels. This is a central air conditioning, and the furnace works through, the hot air furnace works through the same system. And here's this bedroom. Got beautiful double windows, and again the side-by-side slide-by closet doors. dome lights. So there you have it. So if you're interested in purchasing anything at Carteret Mobile Park, a beautiful manufactured home, email us at info@dolanhomes.com and I will send you our extensive informational email that shows you the process, who we are, what we're building, and there is an initial intake form so that we show homes to qualified buyers, and we offer our resident application and our lease so that people can apply and see what is expected in a land lease community. So thank you for stopping by. We'll show you another video shortly. Make it a great day.